Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I've already potted up these pots here. I've still got a few petunias to put in, some of these with the agapanthus in. I've got my beautiful hanging baskets up here, which is starting to look really nice. This Quantoc Perfection is one of my favourite pelargoniums that I'm giving away in one of my, I've got a quiz, well, a raffle type thing. If you go on that pelargonium competition and leave a comment, you'll be entered in that, and I'll pick a winner, or pick several winners a week today on the 14th of May. So if you want to go on there, put your name down and leave a comment on there, that'll be great. But getting back to these, what I'm doing today is my vertical planter again. I'm doing it like about 6 weeks earlier than I did it last year. That's the pot from last year, and I've had a root run in the greenhouse. I forgot I'd even got these. This was the first pot that's got some dahlias in that are actually coming back to life. This was the second one with some pelargoniums in that have actually, they're all dead. But this one has a pelargonium in and a begonia that are still alive, so I'll leave those in. You see where the post goes there. And then that's 1, 2, 3. I've got to put another 2 pots in. So I've got petunias to put in there. I'm going to use these 2 petunias here. This one was from last year. If you have a look at my how to make a planter video, and later on when potting it up, you'll see these in there. And this one as well, Midnight something that was called. But this one is absolutely gorgeous. So I've got 3 petunias there. This one I cut back the other day, and that's looking a lot better now. I'll probably give this a really good trim and give that a really good trim as well. So yeah, first of all, we'll get the post in first. That's the first thing I tend to do. Get this post in, and then get this one in, and then slide the pots on top. So we'll get on with that. Right, that's them all in there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A couple need filling up with compost. I managed to get this out of there as well. This is a begonia tuber. You see there, some new growth. So that's brilliant. So yeah, first of all, I'll get some wire first and just tie it off to the post at the hanging basket at the top. Welcome back, folks. Just want to show you what I've got up to now. This has been put up, it's been tied in at the top here. This is just to stop it moving about. That's spot on that. So it only moves a few inches then. So I've planted it up with petunias this year. That's all I'm planting up. I've got a couple of dahlias, sorry, in here, but I'm not digging them out. And I'm using my leftover petunias. These are them here. Just want to show you. Here. These were just left over in a tray. I kept watering them, but they're really packed together. These are the ones I've separated. These are going in some hanging baskets, some separate pots. But you can see the difference. They look quite bedraggled and worse for wear, but once they've been watered in and fed a few days, I guarantee you they'll come back and they'll be as good as the top ones. These top ones are from last year. These were planted in here last year. I took them out before the first frost. As you can see, they've been growing in the greenhouse. I've fed them twice a week for the last few weeks. This one here got pruned back, I think last week, just to make it bush up a little bit more, and it's doing that. So that's going to be a brilliant petunia. A couple of extra ones in there, the leftovers. A couple of leftover ones in the top. I just want to get a nice variety of colour. So yeah, that's my planter planted up. I'm going to make another one here, I think. That's just going to go in between these flower pots there and there. Hanging basket, sorry. A nice one there. Or I might just juice another wingworm and get some of my sweet peas, which are down there. So yeah, looking really, really well now. All I've got to do is make sure I water it in properly and give it a good feed. And that's that for today. So I'll post another video when I've done my other one and show you all what it looks like. But yeah, I'm getting really pleased with how my garden's looking at the moment. Keeping on top of things. Things are growing really, really well. The borders are full of flowers. In the morning, all you can hear is bees buzzing about. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.